So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change theme in your Bitget Wallet account. So guys, if you want to change the theme of your Bitget Wallet, then this video is for you. First of all, just go ahead and open the app. Once you're in this page, just go ahead and press on home button. And now look at the top left corner with the 4-circle icon and just go ahead and tap there. Once you do so, you'll find many options over here like language, currency, theme, reporting cycle, rewards account, advanced settings, and many more. Theme is right under currency, so we just need to go ahead and tap there. Now you'll find the options of themes like the system. This is based on your device settings. So if you have a dark theme in your device, then it'll automatically choose that. And there's light, looks like this. This is the light one, but if you want a dark one, you can select dark. There you go guys, that's how you change the theme in your Bitget wallet. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.